Hi everybody, this is just a quick review on how to create and submit a shareable link for a Google Sheets project. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that your spreadsheet is complete. Next, you'll go up here to the upper right portion of the sheet where you'll find the big green Share button. Go ahead and select that. You'll get this window here that says Share with Others, Good Life Advice. Anyways, you'll be looking for the Get Shareable Link option right here. Select that. That will automatically generate a link and copy it to your clipboard. Now you can change the permissions that you assign to your collaborators. You can give them editing or commenting rights, or even assign rights to people outside of your organization. But once again, copy this link and then you'll submit it to Schoology. Select the assignment, and then over here on the right, either submit or resubmit the assignment. In this window, you'll hit Create. On the toolbar, you'll look for the Link tool. Select that. Go ahead and Control V, or right-click and paste, or two-finger tap and paste. That will paste your shared link into Schoology. Give it a title with your name, or call it Spreadsheets. Go ahead and hit Insert. You'll see that the link is now live. And then you can hit Submit. If you have any questions about this, please contact me. Have a great day.